Good morning, everyone. Please don't leave the class. We will start the English class immediately. Just drink water and be in the class. I can see 28 participants. So all the 28 should be there. Okay? Yeah, thank you. We'll start the class in another 2 minutes. All right, kindly turn on your video, everyone. You're going to start the class. Turn on your video fast. I can see only Ayush. Okay, Rameshwar, good. Fast, fast, turn on your videos. Rishikesh Kokate, yes, good. Rishikesh Tupe, yes. Turn on your videos fast. Rohit, okay, I'm seeing you for the first time. आशुतोष, चैतन्य, चैतन्य आ रहे किधर है? प्रज्योत, turn on your video बेटा. Shantanu Pagar, very good. A very good morning to one and all present. Welcome back to another English class. Hope you all are doing good. It's good to see you all healthy and safe. So I think still people are there new in the class, but I'm not going to say the rules all over again. But please keep your mics on mute throughout the class. Whenever I ask you something, you can turn your mic on and you can say something. When I speak, nobody else will speak. Kindly don't interrupt while I'm teaching. After that, I will give you time. And at that time, you can talk. And if you have any doubts, you can ask at that time when I give you the time. All right. So till then, you listen. And those people who are new and not following the class, and suddenly if they ask some doubts, I don't think it would be valid, because these are continuation of the things that we have learning for the past few days. So for the ones who are attending the class, they only will have the eligibility to ask the question, because they only will understand. Okay, suddenly you have come today and you are asking something which is not at all connected, your doubts will not be entertained. Others, please be with me. Today we are going to see the remaining parts of the rules. Which rules? We have learned tenses, and we have seen different rules associated with when to use singular, and if I say to be very precise, exceptional rules. हाँ, अगर रूल्स क्या क्या है, एक्सेप्शनल रूल्स क्या क्या है, सिंगुलर कब आना है, प्लूरल वर्ब कब आना है, दैट इज व्हाट वी बीन लर्निंग दीस डेज. So before that, you have to have a very clear idea about what is singular verbs and what is plural verbs, because that is the rules we are studying these days. Kal se we are learning about singular verbs, plural verbs, कब singular verbs use करना है, कब plural verbs, okay, words नहीं है, verbs, सब कब singular verbs use करना है, कब plural verb use करना है. So what are the examples of this singular verb? वो बताने पड़ेगा पहले. Okay, what are some examples of singular verbs? Singular auxiliary verbs क्या है रामेश्वर?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat the question.
Singular verbs क्या क्या है बेटा? Singular verbs. Auxiliary verbs क्या क्या है आपको पता है? Is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had. इसमें से singular कौन सा है? Plural कौन सा है?
Ma'am, any verb which will S नहीं होता है इसमें.
Yeah, that is correct. Main verb में S है तो what that is singular. S नहीं होता है, plural है बेटा. Yes होता है तो वो singular है. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, the singular verbs are is, was, does, has, uh,
Yeah, is, was, does, has. Yes, very good. These are the singular verbs. Okay. So over to today's slides, we will see the remaining rules of when singular verbs should be used, when plural verbs should be used, how to spotify errors based on that rules. That is what we are going to see today. Okay, be with me. Over to screen sharing. Can you see the slide?
Yes.
So we are continuing with the rules of verbs. See, for your easy understanding, just now I have asked you this question. Take this down, everyone, fast. Something which we have already learned, but just to make sure that you know that. As a table, you start writing it in your notebook. Singular verbs, कल से ही हम singular verbs के rules के बारे में बताया, लेकिन I had a doubt that whether you know what is singular and plural verb. So first of all, ये लिखो पहले. Then we will have a better understanding about the rules related to this. Write it down fast. Singular verbs क्या क्या है? Is, am, was, has, or any verb with S. I'm not adding do, does, did here. Let it be so. Any verb with S, does is understandable. That's why. And plural verbs are, were, have, and any verb without S. Take it down. Yes, who is this? Please introduce yourself first. Don't turn on your mic unnecessarily. Keep your mics on mute. Whoever has switched it on now, turn it off and write it fast.
I'm done.
Okay, very good. Everybody done? Rameshwar done, beta?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Make sure that you're doing it all neat, okay? Not scratching in some corner of the notebook. Aisa nahi hai. Neatly columns. When I show columns, it has to be in columns. Okay, so exceptional rules of verb being singular, continued. CONT is nothing but continued, because yesterday also we have seen such rules. Today we are continuing with the rules. I have put the number 4 there because yesterday we have seen 3 rules. Okay, yesterday we have seen 3 rules, and today we are going to see from rule number 4. What is rule number 4? Any noun qualified by each or every is followed by a singular verb. Okay, look at the words each, every. Each, every, a words आने के समय, our verb should be in singular form. Example देखो. Every incident in life teaches us something. I have underlined the verb there. क्या है verb? Teaches. ये देखो. Teach के last s है. And in this slides we are saying that any verb with s is singular. Any verb with s is singular. Can you see that? Any
Yes, ma'am.
verb with s is singular. So here when you see, you can see that again, every incident in life teaches us. Teaches us, again, s is there. So that is what said any noun qualified by. So when this singular verb will come, each or every के साथ अगर sentence start करते हैं तो अगर sentence में each और every ये दोनों words है तो in spite of the subject you need to use singular verb. each और every के साथ हमेशा singular verb होना चाहिए. each और every के साथ हमेशा singular verb होना चाहिए. Okay, remember that rule. Going on to the 5th rule. Right now, nobody will write. Nobody will write now. Nobody will write now. Please don't write anything. Please don't write anything on your book or on the screen. Just be patient and listen to it. Rule number 5. When two subjects are connected with and not, with, as well as, along, besides, like, together, etc., verb will be according to the first subject. ये देखो, 6th rule क्या बताता है? Sorry, 5th rule क्या बताता है? एक set of a series of words दिया, along, beside, like, as well as, with, and not. ऐसे ये सब words अगर subjects को connect करते हैं तो verb will be always subject. Verb will be always according to the first subject. Okay, example देखो, Rama as well as her friends was absent. ये देखो, रमा है, friends है, दो subject है, so normally plural आना है, लेकिन इधर क्या verb आया? क्या verb आया इधर? It has
Was.
was.
Singular.
And was is what? Was is a singular verb. Now, why is it so? Because two subjects are connected with which word? As well as. ये देखो, as well as इस series में है. As well as, along, beside, like, together, and not. ये सब word से कुछ subjects connect करते हैं तो हम किधर देखेंगे verb डालने के लिए? According to the first subject. First subject के अनुसार डालेंगे हम verb. Okay, which के अनुसार डालेंगे? First subject के अनुसार हम verb डालेंगे. So first subject here is Rama. Rama is singular. बाकी के बारे में मत सोचो. Rama is singular. So Rama के according we have put the singular verb was. Because the rule we have seen as well as का rule ऐसा है. Her friends is plural, of course, but we are not looking at the second subject. We are looking at the first subject. Why we are looking only at the first subject? That is what as well as the rule states. As well as, along, besides, like, together, ऐसे कुछ words आते हैं तो उधर दो subject है तो first subject के अनुसार हम verb select करेंगे. Hope you have understood. Moving on to the sixth rule. When the subject starts with number of, हाँ देखो, अगर एक subjects के साथ number of phrase है तो, number of ऐसे एक word or phrase है तो, the verb will be singular. Okay, so no matter what the subject is, subject अगर plural है तो भी ये number of a word आते हैं तो verb singular होना चाहिए. ये देखो, the number of trees. अब देखने के समय इधर trees क्या है? Trees plural है ना? Trees plural है, but फिर भी ये number of वाला आने के समय, though the subject is plural, it will act as a singular verb. The number of trees cut down has to be lesser than the number of trees planted. Has. ये देखो, has क्या verb है? Singular verb है. So, even though the subject trees is plural, we cannot put a have here. Why? Because of the word number of. So what does the rule say? When the subject starts with number of, verb should be singular. Okay? Yaad karo. Coming to the seventh rule. Many a is always followed by a singular verb or a singular noun. Just like number of, many a, it is also a phrase. This number of, many a, and there are verbs coming like this. There are phrases coming like this. Remember each rule. Many a भी आता है number of की तरह, singular many a. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
yeah, I
ma'am.
got a call in between. That's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Many a is always followed by a singular verb or singular noun. Just like this number of thing, na? This many a is always followed by singular verb. Dekho, example, many a student, ए देखो, इधर देखो, has passed this year. So has क्या प्रकार का verb है? Singular verb है. लेकिन many a students में मतलब हमारे को एक विचार है, many a means बहुत ज्यादा. Of course it is बहुत ज्यादा. Many a students means बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन that phrase में कैसे act करने वाला phrase है, वो phrase is like a singular phrase. Many a is like a singular phrase, though it says about lot of students. इसलिए हम क्या प्रकार का verb use करेंगे? Has. We will never use plural verbs like are or have. Such plural verbs हम नहीं use करेंगे. किसके साथ? Many a के साथ. Many a के साथ हमेशा singular verb use करते हैं. Many a student has passed this year. And there also you need to see many a देखो singular verb और singular noun. Many a के साथ students भी नहीं आता है. Many students नहीं आता है, student ही आता है. ये भी noun भी singular हो जाएगा, verb भी singular हो जाएगा. Many a student has passed. Okay, so remember many a. Number of tree, इधर noun को कोई problem नहीं है, trees डालते हैं तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन verb हमेशा singular होना है. Okay, remember करो number of many a. Coming to the eighth rule. In case of the sentence beginning with the verb is according to the predicate. Either you need to know a little bit about subject and predicate. Subject and predicate is something that you would have definitely learned in your lower classes. एक subject है, सब sentence के लिए subject है, that हमने revise किया, subject verb object. वो subject किधर lead करते हैं, subject किधर जाते हैं और किसके बारे में बोलने के लिए जाते हैं, that remaining part of the sentence is known as predicate. Okay, the things which lead into the subject is known as predicate. I just said. So the rule क्या है? In case of the sentence beginning with the verb is according to the predicate. ये देखो example. Our only guide was the stars. इधर subject stars है. Stars मतलब plural है. लेकिन हमने was डाला because it is not according to this. Our only guide became the subject here, okay, and it was. If you're looking at the next sentence, the sentence started with the stars were our only guide. So the stars, which was the predicate in the sentence, इससे start किया, so it was according to this predicate the verb became plural. Okay, our only guide was the stars. Here stars was predicate, and it was according to the subject. Here the predicate has become the subject, and since it has started with the subject is according to the predicate, which is where. Okay, kindly take it down. Please put today's date. Write it down fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
I have done this.
Beta, your voice is not clear. Can you speak a bit louder or
I'm done with these slides.
hello?
Yes, ma'am. I was lost something and done with this slide.
Okay, you have finished writing. Is that what you're supposed to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rishikesh Kokate, have you finished writing, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write it fast. Tupe, Rishikesh Tupe, have you finished writing?
No, ma'am.
Please write it fast. Rameshwar, which rule are you writing?
7 point.
And please write according to the notes. Some parts I have put single inverted comma. आप भी simple inverted comma डालना है. Some part I have underlined. आप भी underline करना है. And color change. From the beginning, I am telling you, if you have a blue and a black pen, write it in that way. If the presentation is neat, you feel like reading it again and again, and it will be more easier for you to study. Okay, so please follow the same. Kindly mute your mics, everyone. Somebody has turned it on. Mute your mics.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am Chinmay Saman.
Mute your mic, beta. It's very disturbing.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I am Chinmay Samant. Ma'am, can you show me the page number 13? I will take a screenshot
Okay.
because I have just joined.
I'll show it, Chinmay. When I change the screen, no, I'll first show 13 and then I'll go to 15. Okay. Yeah. So everybody
Okay, ma'am.
finished the
Thank
14th slide?
No, ma'am.
14.
Ma'am, last
Write it
8
fast.
to 1.
Write it fast. Those who have finished writing, go through the rules again and again. That way you will, make it more thorough. Okay, you will understand it in a better way. So don't waste your time, just go through the rules again and again. These are the rules associated with verbs being singular.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Rameshwar, have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Chinmay, take the screenshot fast. Chinmay, take the screenshot fast. Done?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now we are going to see, keep your mics on mute, Chinmay, please. Now we are going to see when the verb becomes plural, exceptionally. Okay. Unusually when we have to use plural or plural kab kab aa sakte. Okay. Let's go to the first rule. When subjects which are joined by or and nor are in different numbers, the verb must be plural. Hi. Actually, we have seen this rule yesterday itself. It's just the repetition. While learning singular itself, we have learned it. Either or, it was there in the last day's note. If you see, क्या है इधर का rule? Or, nor, ऐसे word से अगर sentence join करते के समय वो subject का numbers different है तो verb plural होना चाहिए. I'll repeat, when two subjects are used and those two subject, one is in singular, the other one is in plural, ऐसे different numbers में है, दो subject है तो, and it is connected by nor, or, ऐसे word से connected है तो, verb should be plural. Either Amit or his parent. So either two subjects है, which are they? Amit and his parents. Two subjects है, बराबर है? Amit एक जन है, parents दो जन है. So two subjects है, two are in different numbers. And what is the connecting word here? Or. Okay, so सब rule satisfy हुआ. दो जन है, different numbers में है, और से connect हुआ है. So the verb has to be in plural form. Are. Either Amit or his parents are coming to the party. अगर same number में है तो कल का rule. Either Amit or his brother is coming to the party. Single number है तो you can use singular. लेकिन इधर plural है, so one of the members is plural है तो the verb has to be in plural form. Okay, going to the second rule of plural. When two subjects or nouns are joined by not only but also, the verb will be according to the second subject. Important words I have underlined. Okay. अगर दो subjects या nouns not only but also conjunction से join करते हैं तो not only but also से connected है तो किधर देखना है हमको verb डालने के लिए second subject में देखना है. किधर देखना है? Second subject में. देखो, not only the officer but also the soldiers were awarded. देखो, इधर subject कौन कौन है? Officer, फिर soldiers. And which से connected है ये? Not only but also. So इधर दो subject है and it is connected by not only but also. So not only but also आने के समेत हमेशा वो second वाला subject के देख के verb डालना है. Second वाला subject कौन है इधर? Soldiers. And soldiers is in plural. So we are putting the plural verb where. Okay? Officer singular है, बराबर है. लेकिन officer के अनुसार हम verb was नहीं डालेंगे. क्यों? Because not only but also का rule क्या है? Two subject आते हैं तो second subject के अनुसार verb चलना है. So we have not looked at the officer. We have looked at the second subject, which is the soldiers, which is in plural, and we have put where. Okay, hope it's clear enough. Going to the third one. हाँ, this is again a phrase. हमने पिछले slide में singular में क्या क्या verb सिखाया? Many, a number of, है ना? उधर सब singular था. Many को singular था, number of के लिए singular था. इधर देखो, great many. Again a phrase. A great many is always followed by plural verb and plural noun. So unlike this number of and many, this great many phrase should have plural verb. याद रखो, ध्यान से सुनो. Many, number of के लिए कौन से verb चाहिए था? Singular verb. लेकिन great many के लिए कौन से verb चाहिए? Plural verb. Mute your mics. Who is that? If I see that person, I'll remove him from the class, okay? Let me see who is. Kundan Thakre. Do you want me to remove you? Come back to the class. It's very disturbing when some people unmute their mics while preaching, okay? Listen back. What were we saying about phrase? Great many is a phrase with which we always use what kind of verb? I'm a fan on Jere. Sorry for that. So great many के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Great many is something that is always followed by a plural verb or a plural noun. Okay, so a great many students have passed this year. I forgot to underline that have. When you write, underline have. All right, so great many के साथ plural. Which के साथ singular? Many एक के साथ singular. Number of के साथ singular. But great many के साथ plural. Okay, ऐसे ही याद करना है. Write it fast. And don't forget to underline have. Yes. A great many students have passed this year.
Ma'am, it's Ramesh Yadav complete with this slide.
Very good, beta. Rishikesh, have you completed? Tupe,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Kokate, Ayush Srivastava.
Yes,
I guess it's yes. Okay. So by now, we have learned how to do, what are the different rules associated with verbs being plural, verbs being singular. Okay, yesterday also we have seen. So today we are going to do an exercise, and everyone please pay careful attention. From today, I'm going to teach you how one of the pattern questions of NDA exam, how it comes. Okay, it's called spot the error. So NDA point of view mein, exam point of view mein, how you should do a spot the error. Till yesterday, we are doing the exercises like do as directed, choose the correct option, change, convert. Okay, ये सब जानना है, लेकिन NDA point of view में, in an NDA exam, how the questions will come. You will get the questions in sentence completion, you will get the sentence for jumble sentence correction, and one important part is Spotify the errors. So all these kind of rules can be applied in Spotify the errors part. So what is the Spotify errors? How the questions will come and how you need to write the answer. चलेंगे, हम देखेंगे next slide. ये देखो, how to spot an error. I have just given a question, and this is how you will get a question in your NDA exam. देखो, this is the question. Don't get scared by seeing so many alphabets and all. I'll explain. The given question, they will divide that question into 4 parts. As you can see 4 slashes here. है ना? ये देखो 4 slashes. This is called slash. So this question is being divided into 4 parts: A, B, C, and D. So every question they will divide into 4 parts. Who is doing this? Shivam. Where is Shivam? I told you this is the first rule. Anybody trying to annotate, they will be removed from the class. Okay. I'm so sorry, Shivam. If you want to play around, go somewhere else. Okay. This is not the place you can play around. And he has put Rishikesh sir, are you there online? Rishikesh sir, are you there online?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Rishikesh sir,
Yes.
can you please give me the hostship, please?
Okay.
Just a second, everyone. Just a second. When we come back, I'll repeat it, Aish. Okay.
Thank you.
So some things we need to do it immediately. Okay. Those who are, here to put unnecessary chats, unnecessary comments, they can sit home and do it somewhere else, not in my class. So seriously, they will be removed. Shivam Mene, he will not enter my class anymore. As simple as that. Okay. If anybody else wants to play around with the videos and pass comments, kindly go out of the class and do it. Understood? Thank you. All right. So we will go to the remaining part. How to Spotify errors. How to Spotify errors. So this is how you get a question in your NDA English exam. So that is, a question will be divided into 3 or 4 parts. Question will be divided into 3 or 4 parts, and each part will be named as A, B, C, and D, and the last part is called as no error. मतलब क्या है? इस sentence में कुछ error नहीं है. ऐसे है तो you need to say the option D. अगर किधर है error, वो error आप point out करके वो error का option answer में डालना है. अभी एक question देखो. A great many students has passed this year. A great many students has passed this year.
Ma'am, may I? Rishikesh Dubey.
Just a second, beta. This is a sample one. I will explain it for everyone. I know it's simple, but for everyone's sake, I'm saying. Okay, Rishikesh? A great many, a great many, just now we have seen in the rule, a great many is always followed by a plural verb. Plural verb क्या है? Have, okay, are, were, ऐसे plural verb होना है. इधर देखने के समय a great many के साथ has आया. So that has should not come there. So that is the error in that sentence. So वो error कितना option में है? Option number C में है. So what is the answer here? C. You should not write have passed. You should not have to correct the sentence and write. ऐसे कुछ नहीं करना है. Answer क्या करना है? Sir, सिर्फ option select करके लिखना है. Understood how to do it? So that is why I said, if you don't know the rules, you will not, because when you read the sentence, you will not find any error. A great many students has passed this year. Wow, सब correct है. No error है शायद. D option लिखेंगे, answer will be wrong. But if you are a person who knows the rules, a great many के साथ हमेशा plural form of the verb should come, like have, are, were, and all. Accordingly, this is wrong. Has come here, which is wrong. So option C is the wrong option. Okay. So this is an example. Take it down. So today your exercise question will be like this. Understood? Yeah. Please take it down fast. Like this. Today I have prepared, I think, 4 or 5 to 6 questions for you. Spot the error pattern mein based on the rules that we have learned today. So rules, pakka, you have to go through it again and again. Then we will do the answers. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just go through the rules. Today, what all rules we have learned? A great many के साथ plural आना चाहिए. Not only but also से अगर कुछ joined है तो उसको second subject के अनुसार verb जाना है. Then or nor के साथ different number subject है तो plural subject जाना है. Then what we have learned? Each, every, इसके साथ हमेशा singular verb होना चाहिए. every incident, each incident ऐसे आते हैं तो singular verb होना चाहिए. As well as along, besides, like, together. इसके साथ अगर subjects connect है तो सब subject first subject के अनुसार जाना है. Number of आते हैं तो singular आना है. Many आते हैं तो singular आना है. The begin करते हैं तो predicate के अनुसार जाना है. So singular subjects is, am, was, has, or any verb with s. Plural subjects are, were, have, or any verb without s. Okay, was just quickly brushing up. So based on this, are you ready to do an exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you go. Do it fast. You have 6 questions. Pick out the erroneous option. Please don't just write the answer and look at the screen. Take down all the question. Leave the space.
Yeah, ma'am, I used to ask her and done with the questions.
Okay, beta, wait for others to complete, okay? After 3 minutes, I'll start discussing. Good
Okay,
job.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I am Ramesh Jadhav, complete with this exercise.
Very good, Rameshwar. Chinmay Samant, have you completed? Those who have not completed, take a screenshot. Okay. We will start discussing the answers. First answer. Rameshwar, could you please read out the first answer? You need to say the option and you need to tell me why. Okay? Follow better.
Ma'am, each of these boys have the potential to do it. Actually, the answer is B, as they should not be have, as there is used each.
Very good. Very good explanation. Each आने के समय singular verb होना है. ऐसे बोलना है बेटा. Singular verb होना है. Have के बदले has होना है. So option B is error here. So answer is option B. Very good. Second question. Tupe.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of second. Ma'am, वो आया नहीं.
अरे, what happened? Each and every same rule है बेटा. What is the rule related to each and every? Each
Ma'am,
and
ये
every आने के समय verb singular होना है. इधर का verb क्या है? Second one. आप बोलो, ऋषिकेश.
मैडम was है.
मैम was
हाँ.
की जगह were.
Yeah, was has to come. Each and every these kind of words आने के समय singular verb होना है. So where is used in option C? So where should not come. Where is a plural verb है ना? Singular verb होना है. So which is the error here? ऋषिकेश, बोलो बेटा.
C.
Now you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इतना सिंपल मेरे को नहीं आता है, ऐसे बोल के साइड में नहीं रखना है. Third question, आयुष. Ayush, answer the third question, will you?
Ma'am,
Can-
yes, ma'am. Amit, like his friends, are always late. The wrong option is C, because it is only mentioned Amit is always late, not like his friends.
Here, the word, your answer is correct. Explanation इतना सही नहीं है, so I'll explain it. Amit like his friend. The word like, okay, word like से दो subject join करते हैं तो verb should be किसके अनुसार होना है? First subject के अनुसार होना है. So like is the culprit here. So like से कुछ words joins करते हैं तो first subject के अनुसार होना है. So Amit singular है, so Amit के अनुसार होना है. So Amit like his friend is always late. बराबर है. Okay, so option C is wrong here.
Okay, ma'am.
Madam,
Okay.
madam,
Who is this?
madam, I am Chinmay Samant. My question is, Amit likes नहीं आएगा. Amit likes his friends are always late.
No, beta.
Likes.
What is the meaning of likes there? Likes आते हैं तो उधर क्या meaning है? Likes में different meaning है. Like his friend, friends के जैसे. Likes मतलब पसंद है. अमित को क्या पसंद है इधर? अमित को फ्रेंड्स को पसंद है. ऐसा सेंटेंस नहीं खत्म करने वाला है. सेंटेंस का मीनिंग ही अलग है. अमित उनके फ्रेंड के जैसे हमेशा लेट आता है. सो फ्रेंड के जैसे बताने के लिए हमने लाइक वर्ड यूज किया. आपने बोला वाला लाइक्स मेरे को पसंद है. अमित को फ्रेंड्स को पसंद के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे इधर. फ्रेंड्स के जैसे. एंड आवर रूल इज क्या है? I'll show you the word like is always used with. Go to rule number 5. Chinmay Samant, go to rule number 5.
Yes.
5 क्या है?
Yes.
Two subjects are connected with and not with as well as along besides like. आपने देखा वो word इधर? सब देखो. Rule number 5. देखा? Verb will be according to the first subject. So rule number 5 के अनुसार था वो question. समझ में आया?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Question number 4. Chinmay, try saying it better. Question number 4. Many students are tested positive. What is the answer? Many students are tested positive. Many students is tested positive. What is the rule? Many के साथ हमेशा singular form of the verb will
Singular.
come.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Yeah. Question number 5. Not only Rahul, but also his brother has come for the party. Rameshwar, what is the answer?
Ma'am, no error.
Very good. No error because all rules are clearly done here. Not only but also के साथ second subject को देखना है. So Rahul and his brother है. Brother singular है. So has come is बराबर है. There is no error. So answer is option D. Last question. Rishikesh Kukate. Say the last question. It's not there in the class. Pragyot. Last question. Pragyot. Last question में no error कैसे आएगा?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait. Pradyot, you said no error. कैसे? Not only but also का रूल क्या है प्रज्योत? वो बोलो पहले. Not only but also का रूल क्या है? नोटबुक देख के बोलो. Not only but also का रूल आप बोल सकते हैं क्या? Rule number 2 in exceptional rules regarding plural. Rule number 2 आप जोर से पढ़ो.
When two subjects or noun are joined by not only but also, the verb will be according to second subject.
Okay, verb will be according to second subject, है ना बेटा? Now question में देखो आप. इधर second subject क्या है? Last question का first subject दिया, second का second subject क्या है?
Her friends.
Her friends. Her friends singular है या plural है? बोलो.
Singular.
Her friends. उसका full friends मतलब singular है या plural है?
Plural.
हाँ, बहुत सारा है ना बेटा. एक friend के बारे में है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, friends plural है. So not only but also के साथ second subject के अनुसार. So second subject के अनुसार है तो friends के अनुसार. So plural verb होना है. इधर plural verb है क्या?
No.
देखो आप क्या है इधर का verb?
Was.
Was singular है या plural है? आप वो टेबल
Singular.
जाके देखो.
Singular.
हाँ, so singular है. So गलती उधर है. So which is the wrong option?
C. Where.
Where should have come there, but instead of that it was. So C is the wrong option. Understood everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how your exam pattern questions will be there. So tomorrow we will see you with something else. So till then, bye-bye. Bye everyone. Take care. God bless you. Bye.
Good afternoon.
Bye, ma'am.
and
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.